I love jogging, I do. But listen, there are times where I'm not having it. And sometimes like I need that extra motivation. You know, like a clown waving a bloody knife and chasing after me. Hi guys, I'm filming in this space again. This is I think the second time, or this could be the first video released before the other Dollar Tree haul. I don't know, because I'm filming a bunch of videos in one day. So, but I'm changing my outfits for you so that you're not like consistently looking at the same thing. But today's gonna be another Dollar Tree Christmas haul. Oh my gosh. Not even gonna hype this up. I'm just gonna show you what I found. Okay. So let's start with something a little bit more basic. I grabbed these 3 red, you know, organization bins. And what I want to do with this is I'm about to start releasing, November 1st will be some of my first DIYs, all of my Christmas holiday related videos, and I really need to be extremely organized in order to effectively release DIYs for you guys. So what I thought I'm gonna do, did that make sense? It didn't. What I think I'm gonna do, no, not even that. What I am gonna do, because I obviously bought it, is I'm gonna create a DIY station for myself. I think I'm gonna manage this station in my upstairs black and gold room. And I'm just gonna have buckets and I'm gonna throw in all the material for, you know, a DIY. And I'll have 3 buckets so that I can arrange 3 DIYs, and then filming, I'll just pick up my bucket, take it downstairs wherever I'm filming my DIY, and that way I have all of my materials together. They're not floating around my house. Wasn't that the longest explanation of your life? Okay, here's where I want to go next with this. I found some new decor signs, new as in I don't think they had these out in 2018. So, oh my gosh. How cute is Santa with his feet? The way that they have him dangling like this. They also had an elf version, but I don't decorate with elves. So I went with Santa. Sorry for the brightness. Isn't he just so fun? I love the candy cane theme. This may end up in my daughter's room or like on her door. And look at these 2. These are the only 2 I found in the set. They're like snow globes. Is that not the cutest idea? I absolutely love it. You get a snowman and then Santa. I honestly don't know which one I love the most. All right, here is the last sign we're gonna look at. They actually had a couple of these. I only picked up this one though, and I just love a good snowman. I do. I just love, and look, his scarf is blue. There's snow place like home. That's adorable. And let me show you what I found. So the last couple things we're gonna look at are the new holiday mugs. Oh my gosh. And I didn't even get all of them. I just have way too many mugs as it is, but these I had to. This one has a Christmas sweater, which is gorgeous. I can't believe this is $1. I really cannot believe that. And look how they package them too, so as giving this as a gift. So you can write the to and from. However, there's one thing on here that I'm reading that is hilarious. This literally says, mug style included. I would imagine that it would be. The next 2 have the signature red cardinal. There's something about red cardinals that I love. It just makes it more of an old-fashioned traditional type of Christmas for me. And look at the 2 styles that they have. This one with the white snowy background, they're on a branch, they're both looking somewhere. Are they looking at Santa? No, they're looking at this guy. Maybe he's telling a joke or he's being inappropriate. I don't know what's happening in that conversation, but it's a cute little mug, and again, packaged the same way. This one, I love. For whatever reason, it reminds me of Home Alone, probably because of this dark green and the red combo, which they decorated that whole house on purpose. Like, I was reading this article about how that house that was filmed in Home Alone was not like that at all. Like the wallpaper, the carpet, everything was not originally like that. They did all of those green and red elements on purpose to emphasize Christmas. And so this would have, for whatever reason, reminds me of that. Plus the message says it's the most wonderful time of the year, which is one of the songs that plays in Home Alone. There's 3 more, but I don't even know which one to show you, but I'm gonna go with this one. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. I wish that the print was top to bottom instead of, do you see that? It was like they designed a rectangle image and then transported that onto the mug itself. But that's okay. I don't know. I think that seeing the white also makes it look nice too. So I don't think I'm overly picky about it at all. It's just beautiful. And I'm gonna be attempting a gingerbread theme in my kitchen. And so I feel like if I do a coffee station, this is going to look gorgeous. Which one do I show you next? Like, I honestly don't even know. I don't even know what to do with my life. Santa has a camper. Dollar Tree just knows what's up. You can see that the image is kind of doubled on both sides. And so if you are left or right-handed, it just works either way. I've noticed that with some mugs, that sometimes the way you hold it, the displays, I don't know, not that, I guess that it matters, but just so that you can see. Oh my gosh, look at the snowman. I love the tree, giving it that height, filling up the space in the back, and I love a good snowy feature. But this camper says ho 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 right here. And the last one is also a camper. Oh my gosh, they strung up lights. Look at that, they staked some lights down here. It's hanging, and then you have the tree. Merry Christmas. Oh, that green sky with the snow. Very, very different. So you can see the different campers. Oh my gosh, the mugs this year, and I am so excited that I was able to find them, and I hope that you guys do too. I know that's quite the challenge apparently, that not all the stores are getting everything that we're seeing, but you know, email Dollar Tree, let them know they need to hire me and I'll fix it.